Hey gems, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and be sure to hit that subscribe and bell notification button so that you are notified every single time that I post. Today I'm going to be making a baby blue lip gloss. I was going for a clear transparent tinted blue lip gloss, but I made a mistake by adding white pigment, which you're going to see in the video. I'm going to show you guys everything that I used, as well as do it in the description box. Everything is from Get Suckered, and I'm using the blue color dye, and this is lip gloss safe. I was also going to initially make the lip gloss blueberry cheesecake, but since I added the white pigment, like I said, I ended up making it cotton candy flavored, since the cotton candy one that I got from Get Sucker, it's not a scent, it's an actual flavor. So yeah, all I added was literally 1 drop of blue dye and a drop of white pigment, and I got that pigment from TKB Trading, so everything isn't from Get Suckered except for that. And my base is pre-mixed. I had bought it from Queen KM Cosmetics. She's one of my business friends, and I've been trying out different bases, so that's one of the bases that I'm trying right now, and I got it from her. So I'm just mixing up everything, and the oils I used was grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil in this mixture. So here's the cotton candy flavoring oil that I'm going to be adding into our lip gloss. I will be trying to make the clear transparent blue gloss, so if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe so that you can see my upcoming lip gloss videos. I'm also going to be trying out another color dye from Get Suckered, so make sure you guys are subscribed and like this video. Also leave me in the comments video suggestions, and if you want to see those videos as well, even though I'm going to post them anyway. But this batch literally made 3 lip glosses, which was perfect. And if you have a lip gloss business, you want to make your lip glosses in small batches just in case you make a mistake like I did. So yeah, you guys, I always use a brand new syringe. I never tried cleaning them. I'm always stocked up. So yeah, I'm using a new syringe, and as you can see, it's at the 30 mark, and my squeeze tubes are 10 ml squeeze tubes. So I'm just filling them up right here. Also, if you are interested in this lip gloss, I will have it available for purchase on my website. Since I do like it, I'm going to make more of this shade. So yeah, you guys, my YouTube subscriber get a special discount, so make sure you guys shop. If you made it this far into the video, leave me a blue heart emoji or the lollipop emoji down in the comments. And coming up, I have a swatch of the lip gloss as well as how it looks on my lips. I will also try to insert pictures of how it looks when you build it up, because this is a biddable tinted gloss, but this is how it looks. It's so beautiful. I thought I wasn't going to like it, but I actually really like it. So here's the video swatch. I did add more after this and took some photos. But yeah, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm on the road to 1,000 subbies.